boxing picks if he's in the pocket.
Yo, we got a touchdown. Come on, be ready.
We just gonna stand up.
Oh man, that was just pure chaos.
I'm trying to tell you right now. My guy.
Teddy.
Teddy, we back, baby.
Throw it to me.
Woo! Get you tackling him, boy.
I would level at 9,000 always.
My staying tracker going ham right now.
On repeat. Come in. First down.
I was saying something must have happened because I never had one like that. Hey, it's gonna look good on paper though.
We need you, Tiger Town.
We need you, Tiger Towns. Let's go.
Yeah, I came and gave it to the ref. I said, hey, here you go, sir.
First down that way, yeah. That's the first.
10 at the 11-yard line.
Alex, it was only a matter of time. Matter of time, but you called it. Hey, way to go.
Got him.
Keep balling. He's balling all day today. I see you.
Everybody eats. Right?
Yeah.
I'm lit.
I know.
I'm lit right now.
Yeah, Speedy B.
Speedy.
I can blow a check tonight.
Hey.
That's the man right here, man.
That's the man
Sack
right
Tracy.
here. I'm just trying to be
Sack
like
Tracy,
Speedy B.
man.
Woo, get loose. Yeah, this man done broke so many records. Speedy B, 1-6. Yeah. Oh no, baby. Come here. You know what that was? Holy moly, for the touchdown!
We've been singing
Man.
You look at yourself, huh? I have never been able to do that. I've never had a
My first time ever. Not Larry. Not to Larry. That boy thought he was Mazzoli or something. So disrespectful. We gotta stay focused though. You gotta keep your feet now.
Are you gonna be there and then you're just gonna spin?
Come on, somebody eat. Somebody get one. You'll never get me on the sounds. Never on the sights and sounds. Look, Chase Saunders, I'm here to let you know we'll be back next year, live and direct. Tiger Town.